How to create a flashing color text effect. Start by clicking on New button at the bottom of Project Panel and select Black Video and click OK. Drag Black Video into your timeline to create a new sequence. Use Type tool to create a text and type the text you want in the preview window. Use the Selection tool to drag the text to where you want. Now with your text selected, go to Effect Controls and expand the text and increase font size if you want. Next, make sure that the fill color is something other than white or black. Now go to Effects panel and search for Color Balance. Drag and drop Color Balance HLS effect into your text. With your text selected, go to Effect Controls and go under Color Balance HLS. Now place the playhead at the start and click on Stopwatch next to Hue to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead to the end of your text and increase the hue value to create the second keyframe. Now we have this flashing color animation. Change the fill color to another color if you are not happy with colors. And if you want the colors to change faster, increase the hue value for the second keyframe. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.